Hmm? Nadidistract siya sa pinapanood. Tingnan natin kung mag-react siya kasi pinatayan ko ng mute, volume. Naka-mute. What happened, baby, the TV? The wheels on the bus go round and round. That's the song they're singing right now, baby. Okay, Gissi, good morning. Say good morning. Good morning again. Gising na yung baby natin from her napping. And while nag-ano ko kanina, tawag nito, habang tulog siya, may ginagawa ako sa, sa kanyang pang-almusal. You want breakfast now? Alas 11 na pala mga shots. Kanina pa to siya nagising, nakatulog lang siya ng kanyang morning nap. So, kakain na yan siya ng kanyang breakfast. Are you ready to eat your breakfast, Ayana? Are you ready? Yana, you want to eat now? Say hi. Are you saying hi to them? Oh, give them, oh, be careful. Give them flying kiss. How about flying kiss? Wow, very good. Kiss mommy. Where's mommy's kiss? Where's mommy's kiss? Where's mommy's kiss? No kisses for me? Oh, no. Okay. Oh. No. Wait, I have to put the fan near you. Yeah, wait, mommy. What, should I get the rice first? Okay, it's still hot. Wait. Mama will get the rice. No, Mama will get the rice. Please. Give me time. Give me time. Almost done. Finish. Nasaan na ba yung baby Yana? Yung tawag nito? Yung kutsara tinidor mo, hindi pa dumating. Anong petsa na? Hello. Okay. Where's the spoon? You want the spoon or you want to use your hand instead? Okay, just use your hand for now, okay? Then Mama later will give you your, what do you call this? Your fruits. I found a way how to give you a fruit. See? Oh gosh, holy moly. Yeah, wait, Mommy. I think this is broken up with Vienna. Careful, it's hot. Careful. Ayan ang mga shots ko. Baby, what are you doing? Are you playing your food? No playing, please. Eat your food. Hindi ko na siya binigyan ng kutsara kasi medyo nahihirapan pa siya gumamit ng kutsara. And besides, yung kutsara mo is wala pa din. No? And yung tinidor na in-order ko. 3 days ago na yun. Wala pa din. Sorry. It's okay. Enjoy your food. That's your breakfast with rice. Mamaya, baby, magsabaw na naman tayo kasi kagabi. Nagsabaw naman tayo kagabi. Chicken and malunggay naman yung ating ulam. And later, ganun pa rin yung papaulam ko sa'yo. Anyway, mga chefs, meron pala akong ways para mapakain siya ng tawag nito, prutas. Kasi last time, nung nung binilang ko siya at nilagay ko sa kanyang sa kanyang plato, pinagtatapon niya lang. So ngayon, naalala ko, meron pala akong mga ganito na itago ko lang dyan sa loob, hindi ko siya nagamit kasi nga, wala naman akong ilalagay pa. So, natago lang siya. Naalala ko kahapon, meron pala akong ganito. So, ganito yung way ko para mapakain ko siya. Kahapon, ganito yung nilagay ko, mangga. Tapos, kumain naman siya. Nag-enjoy siya sa kanyang pagsasakba ng ganito. So, I think kung may mga anak kayong tulad ng batang ito, na medyo picky eater sa mga prutas, ito parang naglalaro lang kasi sila dito. So, ito yung aking nahanap na way para mapakain mo sila ng prutas. Which is good dahil nga nakaka-attractive nga naman tingnan kasi nga colorful. Tapos meron pang hawakan, parang lollies. So, ganyan. Later, you can have this one later. You want it now? But you still have your rice. Enjoy eating your food. Wow. Okay. Ba't may pa ganon-ganon? Rice is life. Excited na ako yung anak, kumain ka ng madami ba? Ngayon, rice lang muna. Basta safe ako na gusto mo yung kinakain mo. Oh, come here na, eat na. Eat your food para kainin mo tong dessert. That's your dessert, right? Happy eating! Puti nilang naalala ko yung bib niya. Lagi ko yun nakakalimutan ilagay dyan. Kasi ang dami talagang kalat. Every time nakakain, ang dami talagang kalat. Makalimutin na yung ina mo, Ayana. Diyos ko na yung Marimar. 2 pa lang yung anak natin. Oh, happy eating, my baby Yana. Enjoy your food. Yeah. You want me to mix it up? Wait, hold on. Arte. May something ba tayo, baby Yana? Arte. Sinabayan ko na sa pagkain mga siyas. Kasi medyo marami yung kanyang pagkain. What's wrong? You want this? You have this one. Come on. Hold it. Hold it. Like it. Yummy! Tingnan natin kung maubos niya. Hindi pa gusto niya. That's mango! Yay! Mango! You like mango? Oh! Yay! Wait, yummers? Wow! Wow, very good. Yay! Yum, yum! At least kinakain niya ng ganyang gustong gusto niya. Don't Spit it out. Just, oh. My bad. Yay. Come on. Mama will eat you. Come on. Yummers. Yummers? You like it? Tapos mamaya mga shots, yung natira nito, ipoprosen ko siya. Pang snack niya naman yun. You like it, baby? Frozen? Frozen mango? You like it? Ah, it's okay. It's okay. Mama will give you more later. Yummy. Yum yum. Want rice now? That's yummy. Want this? Oh, what happened? Tagabantay talaga yan siya sa aking screen. Kapag nag-shutdown na yan ng screen yan, nagtuturo na yan siya. Is it yummy? It's good, right? Good mango. We don't have mango now. We finished the mango today. I'm gonna ask Daddy to buy more mango. Gusto niya naman daw magkanin. Sana magustuhan niya tong avocado at saka yung dragon fruit. You want to try the other one? This one is a dragon fruit. Would you like to try? Taste it? It's gonna be messy, but it's okay. Wow, very good. Tuwang-tuwa na naman ako. No, don't pinch it. Wow, that's so yummy. Is it good? Do you like it? Yummy, right? Yung kanin niya hindi na napansin. Wow, thank you, my baby Yana. Nagamit din natin yung ating trick. Sana magustuhan itong avocado. Which is I like the most, baby. Ang sarap ng avocado, masyadong creamy. Welcome. Eat again. Wow. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's gonna be messy. It's okay. Mama will clean up later. Come on. Hindi na niya pinansin yung kanyang kanin. Wow, that's so yummy. How long have we been recording? Yeah. What's wrong now? Oh, you want the other one? Ah, no, don't pinch it.